In this video, I'm going to talk about the Solana blockchain and the Solana cryptocurrency. I'm going to start by showing you some numbers because I believe that Ethereum blockchain is the most valuable blockchain in the crypto economy. I use it as a baseline when assessing other blockchains that are similar to it. So some of the metrics that I look at are the DEX volume, the fees generated, the number of protocols on a blockchain, the total value locked, and a total number of addresses. So when I compare Ethereum and the Solana blockchain, Ethereum outranks the Solana blockchain when it comes to the total value locked and the total number of protocols. However, Solana is ranked much higher when it comes to the DEX volume, the total number of wallets, and the fees generated. Now, the ascension of Solana to where it is ranked currently did not happen overnight. It was only in the last quarter of last year that the fees generated on the Solana blockchain exceeded those generated on the Ethereum blockchain. It was only earlier this year that its DEX volume, exceeded that on the Ethereum blockchain. And over the last several months, there's been a tussle between the two for which one has the most volume. Let's look at the Solana cryptocurrency. The Solana cryptocurrency is the governance coin of the Solana blockchain, and people who hold it have a chance to decide on the trajectory of the blockchain. It is an inflationary coin. That means that every year new coins enter circulation. The inflation rate started at 8%, but over time it will reduce to a constant value of about 1.5%. Although new coins enter circulation every year, the majority of these coins are staked, and that takes them out of circulation. And those who stake it receive rewards for locking up their coins. So currently, about 66% of all the Solana coins that have been released are staked. That means that only 33% are circulating. This is good because it means that if demand for the Solana coin increases and supply is fixed, it will bode well for the price. So how has this coin performed over the last several months? Well, it hit a high earlier this year in January, and in the first quarter of the year, it didn't perform very well like many other coins. It hit a low in the second quarter of this year, and since then, it has recovered to a price of about $151 for each Solana coin. So what is the outlook? I'm going to do some very basic technical analysis. And this is the daily price chart of the Solana token. I want to point your attention to these three lows in the price. This is what you call an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which I mentioned in a previous video. And whenever you see this pattern, it is confirmed by other indicators as well as volume. It indicates that a considerable trend reversal is on the horizon. So the Solana price has been in a bit of a downtrend, and this pattern indicates that over the next several days, the likelihood that there will be a trend reversal and the price will start going up. Again, TA isn't a perfect science. The best way of using it is as a guide to inform your investment and trading decisions. Now, one of the reasons that the Solana blockchain has had such great metrics is because it has emerged as memecoin central. According to the most available data, although this is from last year, 87% of all meme coins are launched on the Solana blockchain. And this is because it has ultra low fees and very quick transactions. So meme coins are an interesting crypto category. They do not appeal to everyone, but the meme coins that have performed well over the last year have outperformed the major cryptocurrencies. And so they appeal to a particular kind of trader and investor. I think they are here to stay. And as long as the Solana blockchain remains the blockchain of choice for people launching meme coins, it will continue to do really well. So again, I believe that Solana is worth a second look. it's worth keeping on your watch list. It's worth doing additional due diligence on. So that's all that I have for you today. If you like this content, then please like or subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.